Let us all welcome our group of men in uniform.
Okay, next, let us also welcome our DPAD.
Naguna po ang iro.
Next is, let us welcome our daycare pupils with their teacher.
Okay, welcome po. No? Then we have the Lanao Coran Elementary School Band. Thank you very much for joining our 42nd Foundation Anniversary.
Okay, let us also welcome our barangay, our LPS pupils and teachers.
Okay, welcome po. Thank you very much for joining. Next, we have the Barangay Health Workers.
Okay, nandito din po ang ating mga forward po tayo dito sa gilid. I-occupy po natin ang space ng gymnasium. So, 2 lines po tayo in every group.
Let us also welcome our group leaders for Institutes. Okay? So next we have the Kiatal Integrated School Band. Thank you very much for your presence this morning.
Okay, let us all welcome our Bantay Kalikasan.
Next in line we have the Lanao NPHS, the junior and the senior high school.
Let us all welcome our group of senior citizens. Salamat sa inyong pag-appear sa ito ang
Naka-uniform din sila partner, hindi kita naman.
prepared kayo kayo nga ito ang mga senior citizen.
Ano sila ang mga sinaunang katauhan sa barangay na nakuran. No? So, thank you very much sa inyong presensya. Pero nakabutan.
So nga itong mga senior citizen, pwede ito dali masumpay sa ito ang mga
Daycare.
dali sa daycare na grupo.
The Lanao Coran Sustainable Livelihood Program Association. So welcome po.
And then let us all welcome our Bahani Forces. Welcome po at dagang salamat sa inyong pag-participar sa conference.
Okay, next in line, our Barangay Banyero Campus. Welcome as well as our Barangay Councilors. Thank you very much. At sa lahat ng mga guests and visitors, welcome po tayong lahat. So requesting the presence of our barangay officials na dito po tayo sa harapan, sa stage. marks a special spot in every Lanao Coreño's heart. Since we have several occasions to celebrate, remembering the past and origin of our history is a worthwhile task in order to renew and embrace our culture, heritage, tradition, resources,